Okay, hello guys. Today we are going to discuss a question which is related to binary tree, in which we are needed to find the maximum depth of a binary tree. So let's first understand what is meant by the depth of a binary tree. So here is a binary tree with some nodes. So let's say this node here is the root of the tree. So as we go to the left or to the right, the depth of the depth of the subsequent node increases. For example, let's say the root node is having a depth of 0, then the left child of it and the right child of it will have a depth of 1. And subsequently, if this node having a depth of 1 uh, has a left child and a right child, then those will have a depth of 2. And finally, when this node, which is having a depth of 2, is having a left child, will have a depth of 3. And in this tree, this depth is the maximum depth we can get. So this is the maximum depth. So this is what we are required to find. So the question is slightly different here. We say the number of nodes which we can easily modify to get our answer. For example, according to the question that is given in the lead code, this depth should be 4, and because we were starting there with depth of a 1, but that can be adjusted easily. So now let's start with the coding. I hope that the logic is clear now, that when we are at the depth of 0, and as soon as we go to the left or to the right, the depth increases. So we clearly see the pattern that if you go to the left, then the depth increases. If you go to the right, then also the depth increases. So it increases like this, as shown in the diagram here. Okay, so now let's go. So what we can do is, as we go to the left or as we go to the right, we need to create a counter. We need to keep check that if we are going to the left or going to the right, we have to increase some value which will store the depth of the current node that we are going into. Okay, so let's create a help function that will help us to do the same thing that we're talking about. Okay, so let's create a tree node here. It will accept a root value, and let's say this is the depth value that we want to keep in check every time we go to the left or to the right. So if you see that if root is not null, then we will call this function again to its left subtree with an increased depth of 1. And same we will do for the right subtree. We'll call this function with the increased depth with increment of 1. Now, when we will break the function, or how we will increase the max, how we'll keep check of the maximum depth that we have got. So let's keep a global variable max, which is initialized to 0. And let's say if any of the depth, if any of the depth which is greater than max, then we update the max. Okay. So now I think this function is clear. This function is clear. So we can call this function with our root and initially with 0. And finally, we can return max as our solution. Okay, so let's try to run this code and let's see what's happening. So we are getting the correct answer. So what has happened is, we have passed 0 initially, and every time we are going to the left of the tree or to the right of the tree, we are increasing our depth by 1. See, and if that depth is greater than the maximum depth that we already have, that is initially 0, so increase that depth. So we so in this way we are increasing this max value every time if a depth is greater than the current maximum. Okay, so let me submit this quickly. There you go. It is 100%, 18 MB less than 100% of the all online solutions in C++. So okay, I think you liked the solution. Thank you.